Did you know a school celebration turned into one of the most horrific hostage crises in history? September 1st, 2004. Beslan, Russia. Families gathered for the traditional first day of school ceremony. Children wore their best clothes, carrying flowers for teachers. Then masked gunmen stormed school number 1. Over 100 people were herded into a gymnasium rigged with explosives. The terrorists denied them water and food for 3 days. Children were forced to drink their own urine to survive. Any adult who tried to protect the kids was shot on the spot. Bombs hung from basketball hoops above terrified families. Snipers watched every window, no escape. On day 3, an explosion triggered chaos. Russian special forces stormed the burning building as more bombs detonated. 330 people died, including 186 children. What started as a celebration became a nightmare that shocked the world.